I have seen an appreciation of 20% also.
And so does the Ayodhya. Yeah.
Maharani Bagh से D&D it connects Noida.
They want to
और
move to
हाँ,
South Delhi.
Development से क्या होता है? People come in.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of our podcast video. I'm Garma Kotru and today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Mas, sales manager at Hermandoke, who is specialized in luxurious residential properties in South Delhi. Hi Mas,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good. So, Mas, today we're going to talk about the hype of luxurious residential properties in South Delhi and why everyone is investing in them. So, I'll just first ask you what makes South Delhi different from other emerging cities like Gurgaon and Noida? Why everyone is investing in it?
See, the main reason why people are investing in South Delhi apart from Gurgaon and Noida, but it's not like that कि बिल्कुल ही नहीं कर रहे गुड़गांव नोएडा हम लोग
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं वहाँ भी, but they are looking at a long term investment over there, like
Right.
because the projects that are coming up there, उनको अभी लगता है 3 साल 5 साल पूरा बिल्डअप होने में, सैचुरेशन आने में और ज़्यादा लग जाता है टाइम.
Agree.
So if you and the even the investment ticket size is small in Gurgaon and Noida.
Okay.
So people are like कि वहाँ कर देते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म में हमारे पास कैपिटल गेन बहुत अच्छा मिल जाएगा.
Okay.
बट इवन इन साउथ दिल्ली यू आर गेटिंग अ गुड कैपिटल गेन, बट इट इज इन अ शॉर्टर स्पैन ऑफ टाइम.
Okay.
बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट अ बिल्डर फ्लो,
Hmm.
12 से 15 महीना लगता है पूरा कंप्लीट होने में, डिलीवरी मिल जाती है इफ यू बाय इट इन अ बुकिंग स्टेज.
So you're saying that South Delhi is much more beneficial for investors when it comes to short-term
शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट,
investment plans.
इफ यू आर टेकिंग अप 15 to 18 months मैक्सिमम,
Hmm.
आपको इतने में रिटर्न चाहिए मिल जाएगा.
Okay, you're not getting that in Gurgaon or Noida.
गुड़गांव नोएडा में मिलता है, बट स्मॉलर टिकट साइज, द स्मॉलर अमाउंट यू इन्वेस्ट उसका भी lesser
the lesser
percentage,
ROI
हाँ,
you get.
right.
Obviously, that is true, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so my next question is, if a person is investing in high-end property in South Delhi, so what kind of appreciation in property value they could expect in the next 5 to 10 years?
See, in next to 5 to 10 years, if you look at what the government is doing for people living in Delhi right now, you can have a look at the master plan of 2041.
Okay.
What all development the government is planning. So according to that, क्योंकि एक जगह पे क्या होता है, if you are investing somewhere,
Mm-hmm.
the main thing you should be looking at कि in future development क्या आ रही है,
Right.
what is the government doing to appreciate the land value.
Right.
Say for example साउथ दिल्ली का हटा देते हैं, if you look at जेवर also, यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट आ रहा है, राइट.
Exactly.
सो पीपल आर लाइक कि यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट क्यों करें, बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट इज ब्रिंगिंग इन स्कीम्स,
Yeah.
गवर्नमेंट डेवलपमेंट लेके आ रही है, गवर्नमेंट वांट्स कि वहाँ पे लोग आके रहें.
And so does the Ayodhya. जब से वो
एग्जैक्टली, अयोध्या में
में काफी ज्यादा
बहुत ज़्यादा
appreciation
अप्रिसिएशन,
हो
इवन
गया है.
सेलिब्रिटीज आर इन्वेस्टिंग देयर एट द
Right.
मोमेंट.
Right.
सो इसका ये है कि इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग एट स्पेसिफिकली साउथ दिल्ली शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए तो इट्स रियली गुड.
Mm-hmm.
लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट, हाँ यू कैन डू दैट, यू आर गेटिंग गुड रेंटल्स आउट ऑफ इट
Mm-hmm.
साउथ दिल्ली में. प्लस आपको खुद रहना, इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स इफ यू आर लिविंग इन साउथ दिल्ली, बिकॉज पीपल ड्रीम ऑफ लिविंग इन साउथ दिल्ली. इट्स नॉट ओनली कि हाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, इट्स ऑल्सो स्टेटस सिंबल आज की डेट में साउथ दिल्ली में रहना.
Yeah, actually.
सो आई पर्सनली हैव पीपल
In your
I
connection.
have experienced this. People have
Okay.
made inquiries to me
Hmm.
कि they are living in Gurgaon and Noida, but
They want
But,
to move to
हाँ.
South Delhi.
they just want to ask कि क्या रेट चल रहा है वहाँ पे, हमें बताओ in future if I plan to
Okay.
move to South Delhi तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए.
So, how much appreciation one could expect?
See, if I tell you about any property, say for example GK1 GK2 ले लेते हैं, कहीं ले लेते हैं.
Yeah.
What I have seen, even in around 18 to 20 months, I have seen an appreciation of 20% also
That's
in an under construction property.
that's
So
huge.
yeah, again, because that was around 1,000 square property,
But that also vary from area to area, right?
area to area and size to size.
Size to size, right?
What ticket size you are investing in and what area you are investing in. So
Okay.
that all depends on different variables.
So, as you just mentioned about the areas of South Delhi, my next question is related to that only. What are the specific areas in this particular location that offer great potential for long-term investment returns?
See, for long term investment, if you're looking for something like that, you have to see like South Delhi में कौन कौन से areas हैं that are not very well developed compared to others, and where
As
you
in?
can see future development.
Okay, as
Like
in
I told you a few points about government schemes
schemes, right?
that the government is coming up. So if you look at the master plan of 2041 for Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
So जिन areas में the government is focusing more,
Mm-hmm.
you could invest there or nearby,
Mm-hmm.
because वहाँ पे ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट आएगी. डेवलपमेंट से क्या होता है, पीपल कम एंड लिव देयर, मार्केट्स आती हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज आती हैं, राइट,
Hmm.
बिजनेस बूम होता है उस एरिया का.
Yeah,
दैट्स
agree.
वाई द प्राइस ऑफ लैंड गोज अप.
But my question is this: like GK1, GK2, they're already well
They are well
developed
developed plus settled, right?
plus settled. So apart from that, are you talking about like going in that Vasant Vihar Chhatarpur side, or
You can say you can go towards that side, or I will say you can go towards places where the connectivity is good at the moment, but the connectivity to those places might improve in the future as
okay?
well. Say, for example, if I tell you the road that goes from Chhatarpur towards Gurgaon,
Mm-hmm.
that road is being constructed at the moment, I'm guessing.
Okay.
सो वो थोड़ा वाइडन कर रहे हैं, आई गेस, उस रोड को फ्लाईओवर्स बना रहे हैं वहाँ पे. दैट
Right.
एरिया इज रियली गुड फॉर यू टू इन्वेस्ट इन. प्राइजेस माइट गो अप ओवर देयर.
Hmm.
एंड इसके अलावा इफ आई टेल यू अबाउट नियर महारानी बाग, यू हैव सीन DND.
Yeah.
महारानी बाग से
Yeah.
DND, इट
Yeah.
कनेक्ट्स नोएडा.
Yeah.
सो इन फ्यूचर आई गेस देयर इज अ प्लान फॉर government to connect DND with the Yamuna Expressway directly.
Okay. And
That
then
will
the
connect the
property
airport.
property appreciation prices
right,
will all
right,
go up.
right,
Obviously.
exactly.
Okay. Cool.
So like these locations are very useful for you to invest in.
Are there any specific challenges or risks that investors should be aware of while investing in premium properties?
Not really. See, if you're investing in premium properties in South Delhi, all you have to check is कि कहीं प्रॉपर्टी पे लोन तो नहीं है प्रीवियस.
Okay.
द डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर ऑल क्लियर.
Hmm.
कोई उस पे लास्ट प्रॉपर्टी जो आप देख रहे हैं,
Legal disputes.
लीगल
maybe.
डिस्प्यूट्स नहीं है, एग्जैक्टली.
Hmm.
सो दैट्स ऑल. ज़्यादा बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन कंपेयर टू साउथ दिल्ली, करे नोएडा गुड़गांव, यू विल हैव टू डू अ प्रॉपर बैकग्राउंड चेक ऑफ द बिल्डर. बिकॉज अभी
Yeah.
रिसेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा
Yes.
हमने देखा है कि डिफॉल्ट्स हुए हैं
Defaults are right.
बिल्डर
Fraudulent activities are there.
एग्जैक्टली.
Right.
बट साउथ दिल्ली में एज सच मोस्टली जो केसेस आते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस की डिस्प्यूटेड प्रॉपर्टी है मोस्टली,
Mhm.
टाइटल क्लियर नहीं है, लोन चल रहा है, स्टिल दे वांट टू सेल ऑफ देयर प्रॉपर्टी. सो दैट्स ऑल.
So it's safe to invest
Yeah.
in South Delhi.
100%.
Are there opportunities for small budget investors to invest in the luxury housing market in South Delhi?
एज पर इफ यू आर सेइंग कि पूरा साउथ दिल्ली पूरा लग्जरी है, आई वोंट से कि इट विल फिट इन दैट ब्रैकेट, बट स्मॉल बजट इन्वेस्टर्स कैन ऑल्सो इन्वेस्ट इन साउथ दिल्ली.
Mm-hmm.
बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है पीपल थिंक कि साउथ दिल्ली में प्रॉपर्टीज हैं तो बहुत बड़े बड़े साइजेस होंगे, ऐसा
Yeah,
नहीं है.
obviously.
सिर्फ 400 स्क्वायर यार्ड्स नहीं है, सिर्फ 800,000 नहीं है.
There could be a lot of configurations, right? 2
Right.
BHK, 3 BHK.
Exactly, but you have sizes available starting from 100 square yards in South Delhi
Hmm.
where you can invest in. Plus, apart from that, government is also coming up with, that Awas Vikas Yojanas and everything.
PMAY.
Right,
Pradhan
right.
Mantri
They
Awas
are
Yojana.
making
Right.
these affordable housings
Yeah.
in South Delhi as well. You go to Jasola, there are properties like that. You go near the airport, there are properties like that. So it is open for everyone. You can invest. Plus the return is really good. The ROI you get
Yeah.
in South Delhi is really good in a short term,
Yeah.
because people are not willing to wait for 5 to 10 years to get
Yeah.
the proper ROI that they expect. So यहाँ पे जल्दी मिल रहा है तो हाँ, please do invest.
So, Maz, my last but not the least question to you is, if an investor is looking to diversify his portfolio, so would you recommend South Delhi as a property market which has the long term hold, or would you say that this has the potential for shorter term profits through flipping and leasing?
See, it's a mix of both. It depends on what kind of a return you are looking for. If you are looking just to कि capital gain मिल जाए, मैं market से exit कर दूँ,
Hmm.
that's a short term investment for you.
Right.
You buy a property when it's starting to the construction is just starting.
Hmm.
You invest, complete हो गया, you sell it, you get a good return out of it. As I mentioned earlier also, I have seen 20% of appreciation this period of time also. And if you are looking for a longer term of investment, you can look at rental properties as well. You buy a property, you rent it out. What average of residential rental property in South Delhi is around 3%.
Hmm.
So 3% is not bad, because पूरे India का ही average is 3%.
3%, right.
Right. And not only residential, you can also invest in commercial retail spaces as well in South Delhi, because that gives you 7%. And I would say long-term investors are also welcome in South Delhi. Short-term investors, it depends on everyone's need,
Need, right?
right? And apart from that, वैसे in our previous questions we have laid a
Yeah, we have
foundation की
talked a lot about
about
this short-term
right,
capital gains.
exactly.
So
So
yeah.
short term में तो benefit है ही, because short term में benefit क्यों है is when we were comparing South Delhi to Gurgaon and Noida.
Yeah.
But long term भी it is giving really good capital
Capital
gains,
gains, right?
right? So it is, you know, good for both.
Good for both.
Yeah.
It has
Best
a
of
good
both worlds.
balance for both
Yeah.
the investors. Good. So, Maz, as we have reached the end of this podcast, but before we say goodbye to our viewers, I just wanted to ask you. I have seen a lot of videos of yours at Hub and Doke social media channels, by the way. Good job.
Thank you.
But I just wanted to ask, just for the viewers, how can they reach you out, or you want to share anything about your podcast videos? Can you please elaborate?
Yeah,
that?
recently we have been shooting a lot of residential property videos for our social media, and it's just that it's for our viewers only.
Yeah.
If they are looking to invest somewhere or they are looking for a place for them to settle down only. Plus, जैसे जैसे demands आती रहती हैं वैसे वैसे we are, you know, posting videos according to their demand. अभी recently हम लोग वो we got queries regarding resale properties as well, so we are doing resale properties. We have started doing resale properties as well for our social media. It's not only कि new properties हम लोग करेंगे, but see it's an idea कि लोगों को दिखाएं क्या क्या available है market में.
What is
For
your
it's
next
easier for them.
destination? Sorry to cut you out.
My destination as in
You have covered a lot of posh localities in South Delhi. So are you planning to move out to other areas as well, like Gurgaon or Noida or somewhere else?
not right now, but we will think if we get queries regarding those places as well. It's all upon, see, लोगों को जो चाहिए हम लोग वो दे रहे हैं,
Yeah.
राइट? सो जैसे जैसे क्वेरीज आती रहेंगी, पीपल विल से कि हमें गुड़गांव में भी कुछ ऑप्शन, तो हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे डेफिनेटली.
Okay, that's great.
So apart from this, if anybody has a query regarding any of the properties in South Delhi, they can reach out to us. We have a contact number on our social media and everywhere. So
They can
we'll be happy to
DM
help.
you as well.
We will be happy to help. Yeah.
So guys, that was Maz. Maz, thank you for sharing your valuable insights on South Delhi property market and tell us so many amazing things about that. So it's great chatting with you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
same here. Thank you for having me here.
So that's all for today. If you like this video, you can check out our YouTube channel. We have made a special playlist for all our podcasts.